we have a total of 20. Now it's actually, I believe we are doing another 5 more modules. So we'll have 25 modules, which are all online. Each module has text, has PowerPoints, has a video. So there's a lot of instructions to go through all those things. And we had to update all these things based on the current industry guidelines, FDA guidelines, EMEA guidelines, ICH guidelines, MEDRA guidelines. So every time there is an update, PV is very highly regulated. And that's one of the challenge for pharmacovigilance, is it's very highly regulated. So whatever is true yesterday might not be true today. So based on that, we had to kind of refine the course material 3 times last year. So even this year we did 1 time already. So we have for 250 hours of material that you have to go through in those 20 to 25 modules. Each module will have questionnaire. You need to get 80% out of it. It's just self questionnaire, like like a multiple choice question that comes up. And all the questions that you see and all the webinars that you are going to attend in this course are all based on practical scenarios, like what happens 9 to 5 on that module. Even though you have to go through the definitions, you have to go through the regulations, you have to go through all the theoretical stuff. But what happens 9 to 5? How is your day 1 in your job? And what happens when you get trained, and how does it change? So the course is very much set in that way. And the questions are also set in that way. Even though they're very simple, they will test your practical application of what you've learned. And we have 50 sample cases that you'll be processing hands-on within our safety database, Argus. Of course, you'll be certified at the end of all this work, and there'll be assignments given where you will be doing a lot of hands-on preparation of 1 or 2 topics for the other students in the course, so that I would rather give you the time to prepare and teach other students, because I think that is the best way for you to kind of communicate with people. And when you teach someone, it's very hard to forget that. So that is something that we tried, and it worked out very well. So we do have internship period where you can use it as a work experience. After the course is done, we give you internship where you will be doing case processing, aggregate reporting. These are the 2 things that we can offer in the internship, where you will compile a PSUR, or you will do cases at the same time, so that you kind of understand all the steps of it. So that is the course details. And so how does all this work is basically, let me